Welcome to a really exciting module. In this module, we're going to be building a chat app. And not only is it going to look beautiful, but it's also going to be super powerful because we're going to power our messenger using Firebase Firestore. And this is what it'll look like by the time we're done. So it's got some beautiful animations, and we're going to be looking at how to implement animations in Flutter, but also we're going to be creating this beautiful messenger user interface, and we're going to be able to set up a group chat, and we're also going to implement authentication and registration so the users will be able to register and log in so that they can chat with other users. First things first, as always, we're going to head over to the GitHub repository for FlashChat, and we're going to clone that repository into our local system. So we're going to check out project from version control, and we're going to go ahead and clone this project. And once it's done, we'll open it up and get our dependencies. So if you take a look inside our lib folder, you'll see that we have a whole bunch of screens. So let's open all of them up. We've got our welcome screen, our login and registration screens, and finally we've got our chat screen where the chats are going to actually happen. Once you're all ready and set up, head over to the next lesson where we're going to get started building out our FlashChat app.